More and more, people are producing videos that they can watch on their portable devices. These would be things like your iPads and your iPods, your Sony PSPs, or even on your smartphones. You're creating videos that can be sent to a device like Apple TV, for instance. Unfortunately, Vegas includes some render presets that are optimized specifically for these devices. And let's take a look at some of those. We got our little movie. We'll go to the File menu and select Render As. And if we go to the Main Concept AVC category and open it up, you will see some specifically named for what they're created for. So Sony tablet, there's a very nice one. If you're using an iPod and an iPad, there are presets already available for them. These will create very nice MP4 files that are optimized for this particular device. Again, if you're creating for a smartphone, you would probably use one of these iPod ones. In most cases, your smartphone is going to be able to play an MP4 file. That's becoming the new standard here for streaming video as well as for portable device video because it creates such a good-looking file that also happens to be so small and very non-demanding for a lot of these players. Apple TV, these will create really nice files that you can load into iTunes. And if you sync up your computer with your Apple TV device, you can actually then watch these videos on your television. They can be ported over to your television. These are optimized for playing on Apple TV. Very, very cool. And if you happen to have a device like a Sony PSP, that's a PlayStation Portable for playing your video. If you go down here to the Sony AVC options right here, and we open them up, you see that we have options right here for the PSP. Also, this will create an optimized MP4 file that will play very nicely on your PSP. Portable devices, including set-top boxes that synchronize to your computer like Apple TV, are an exciting new way to share your movies and your video files. And the render presets in Vegas make it fairly simple to create exactly the right file for any one of these formats with exactly the right parameters to get the best video and playback quality on pretty much any device. Just think of them as your new media outlets on which you can publish and distribute your movie masterpieces.